What's up, everybody? Jerry here, Views from the Couch. I'm back with another video for you guys. I got my boys here with me.
Annyeonghaseyo, this is Devin.
Yeah, so today we're checking out a Pentagon video. This one is Pentagon Naughty Boy. Who knows? Let's see what they got.
I've been nice or naughty this year.
Make sure you like and subscribe, guys.
Look at that mop, though. Why you just staring at us?
When you realize your break is like been passed.
He's not watching the car, you gonna lose. He got a brush.
Like, yo, where's the water?
Yo, you're scratching my screen. Hey, what you dancing for?
Like, look at this.
A frog in denim pants and jeans.
I think that's oh, because you're a naughty boy. You don't let you through it. Oh, I get it. Okay. It's a good enough. I get it.
Hey, they hotboxing.
Definitely.
Oh, they hella hotboxing.
Deep voice guy who looks like the voice.
Oh yeah, the dude sitting in the trunk, that's the one friend that like all my friends smoke but I don't, so I like to chill and wait for them to finish.
This is a fun video.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah.
That's the. I like the ending.
Yeah. Hang out for real.
We just have like having a fun night, we going around walking, just doing shit.
After a whole day of slacking at work, why not?
Yeah.
That was the video. It was dope. We liked it. It was funny.
It was different from the normal dance routine.
Yeah.
And everything. Nice break.
Give me some ideas for like a hangout day.
Right, for real. That karaoke in the car while them boys was hotboxing.
Right.
Like, for real.
I didn't know what's going on. He had a mop in the beginning doing nothing. He got fired for real. But
what? That man was supposed to be mopping the floor. He just
chilling.
Just chilling there. That's how you know you're on fried.
Yeah.
And the man's like, what am I doing again with this?
Just like, do I really need this job?
Exactly.
That's what's up. Anyways, guys, that was the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're out. Views from the Couch.
Peace.